You have muscles. Go to the gym. Damage these muscles. Eating well. Your muscles grow. How this happened? To understand this, first you need to know what are muscles. Muscles are tissue composed of bundles of muscle fibers, each fiber composed of myofibrils, which are muscle cells. The myofibrils surrounded by network membrane called sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is endoplasmic reticulum of muscle cells, and also innervated by neurons to send orders to the muscle to contract. Myofibrils composed of contractile units, called sarcomeres. Sarcomeres composed of two protein complexes actin and myosin. These units are the big deal, where all magic happens. Muscle contraction begin with neurons. You think of a movement, then your brain sends signals to the muscle myofibril. The signal stimulates sarcoplasmic reticulum to produce calcium. Calcium with the help of ATP molecule cause actin filament to overlap on myosin, shorten the sarcomere, causing the muscle to contract. This happens, for example, when you lift your arm, or scratch your head, or any regular basis without explosive movement or hard training. But, how do muscles get damaged at the gym? To answer that, you have to know the types of muscle contraction. Concentric contraction, where muscle shorten, and eccentric, where muscle lengthen. This one is the most effective, this what damage your muscle the most, and what coaches recommend and name it, negative workout. So, how eccentric contraction cause muscle damage? Eccentric contraction cause mechanical strain, makes half of the sarcomeres, especially the weakest ones, to be overstretched. This overload cause cell membrane disruption. This stretch also activate types of channels called stretch-activated channels, which increase calcium entry to the cell. This increased calcium stimulate a proteolytic enzyme called calpain, which degrade contractile proteins, result in prolonged loss of muscle strength, and also destruct the membrane, lead to more calcium entering the cell. This calcium overload increase mitochondrial permeability, leading to cell death. This is how your muscle get damaged after training. Now, here another question: why my muscle sores after training, and maybe during it? Surprisingly, this how your muscle start healing, and beginning to growth. The damage in your muscles promote the immune system to handle the situation, by attraction of immune cells called neutrophils to remove debris of the dead cells, and mast cells, which secrete chemoattractants to bring in other cells called macrophages, causing inflammation which cause muscle soreness, a condition called delayed onset muscle soreness. After 24 hours, inflammatory macrophages, replaced by anti-inflammatory macrophages, releasing anti-inflammatory mediators, to activate a type of cells, called satellite cells, the muscle stem cells. Satellite cells, located on the myofibril cell membrane. Muscle healing begins when satellite cells fuse together with the muscle's fibers, leading to increases in muscle fiber mass. The satellite cells have only one nucleus and can replicate by dividing. As the satellite cells multiply, some remain as organelles on the muscle fibers, where the majority differentiate and fuse to myofibrils, to form new muscle proteins and repair damaged fibers. Thus, the myofibrils will increase in thickness and number. They also help muscle fiber synthesizing more proteins and create more contractile myofilaments, the actin and myosin. This is how your muscles heal and grow bigger, of course with good diet and enough sleeping, which we gonna explain how they affect muscle growth in the next videos. Finally, I'm your online doctor, and I hope answering your questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.